Pinabukbog mo si Ward kay Kylo. Pagkatapos ngayon, pinatay mo yung apo ko!
Tama na
Yung
po, tama
una
na.
si Bert!
Tama na po.
Painuhin yung apo ko! Mamatay na! Ward. Hindi na ulit ako magkakaroon ng baby kahit kailan. Ito na yung huling chance ko para maging mommy.
Pwede ka pa maging mami ulit. Pag nakahanap ka ng kapalit kay Kuya Basil.
Hindi na, Ward. Hindi na pwede. Kasi pinaasa niya lang ako. Di ba? Pinaasa mo lang ako. You're ruthless.
Thank you. You know, Oro, I'm honestly shocked that you still attended the event, considering na namatay yung anak ni George.
Hindi naman mabubuhay ang bata if I stayed here or if I went to the hospital. Tsaka isa pa, Barry, gusto ko munang kumalma at mag-grieve si Kuya Galvan. Kung sa bagay, but still, my condolences. Apo mo pa rin yun. Or should I say, congratulations? Yung apo mo na lang ang natitirang future Palacios. I'm sure you're super thrilled. I think this calls for a celebration. What do you think? Oh, Barry, you're so good at twisting things. Di ba kasasabi mo pa lang? Apo ko pa rin yun. Anak ng pamangkin kong si Basil. So why would I celebrate the baby's
Bilisan mo
death?
yung kotse.
Samantha!
Ihanda mo na yung kotse.
Where the hell are you going?
Sa ospital.
What? Didn't I tell you to just stay home?
I don't remember agreeing to that.
Watch your mouth, young lady. Where's this Cano?